Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to learn 50 alternative phrases that can be used in place of I hate you. आज की वीडियो में हम 50 मुतबादिल जुमले सीखेंगे जो आप I hate you की जगह इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First sentence is I disapprove you. Second sentence is you are not someone I admire. Third sentence is my feelings towards you are unfavorable. Fourth sentence is you are not someone I hold in high regard. Fifth sentence is I have a negative opinion of you. Sixth sentence is you are not someone I resonate with. Seventh sentence is I have a strong aversion towards you. Eighth sentence is you are not someone I appreciate. Ninth sentence is you are not someone I have positive feelings for. 10th sentence is I dislike you. 11th sentence is you are not someone I find appealing. 12th sentence is I have a feeling of distaste for you. 13th sentence is you are not someone I value. 14th sentence is I have a deep-seated antipathy towards you. 15th sentence is you are not someone I have warm feelings for. 16th sentence is I find you repugnant. 17th sentence is you are not someone I hold dear. 18th sentence is I have a strong dislike for you. 19th sentence is you are not someone I connect with. 20th sentence is I have a feeling of contempt for you. 21st sentence is you are not someone I have affection for. 22nd sentence is I find you despicable. 23rd sentence is you are not someone I regard highly. 24th sentence is I have an intense disappointment towards you. 25th sentence is you are not someone I enjoy being around. 26th sentence is I detest you. 27th sentence is you are not someone I have positive vibes with. 28th sentence is I have a powerful resentment towards you. 29th sentence is you are not someone I admire or respect. 30th sentence is I find you loathsome. 31st sentence is you are not someone I have warm sentiments for. 32nd sentence is I have a strong repulsion towards you. 33rd sentence is you are not someone I have a connection with. 34th sentence is I find you abhorrent. 35th sentence is you are not someone I cherish. 36th sentence is I have an extreme dislike for you. 37th sentence is you are not someone I hold in high esteem. 38th sentence is I find you revolting. 39th sentence is you are not someone I have any fondness for. 40th sentence is I have a feeling of aversion towards you. 41st sentence is you are not someone I feel any affinity with. 42nd sentence is I find you disgusting. 43rd sentence is you are not someone I value or admire. 44th sentence is I have vehement feelings towards you. 45th sentence is you are not someone I find appealing. 46th sentence is I find you intolerable. 47th sentence is you are not someone I appreciate or respect. 48th sentence is I have a feeling of repugnance towards you. 49th sentence is you are not someone I feel any nearness with. 50th sentence is I find your actions undesirable. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.